Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use Google Bard as a German translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest you log in first. To get started, simply copy and paste your German text into the chat. Unlock the secret by initiating the transformation using the phrase "translate this in English" and then pressing the Enter key. Witness the rapid and accurate English translation conjured by Google Bard, unveiling the mystery hidden with the German words. However, the journey through the language doesn't end here. If your curiosity compels you to explore the German translation of an English phrase, the process remains consistently delightful. Just as before, say, "Translate this to German," before inputting the desired English text. Observe how Google Bard adeptly responds, effortlessly providing the precise German translation. While Google Bard's capabilities are indeed remarkable, it is important to note that accuracy may vary, particularly in complex situations or when dealing with sensitive terms. For matters of great significance, seeking a second opinion is always a wise step to ensure accuracy. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.